welcome to Abbot Pilates teacher training down in the UK, in England, down in Devon. My name's Paul, I'm on the reformer today, as you can see, and today's movement is a movement to exercise the long head of the tricep, and I believe it's called the shave. I'll let you demonstrate. Let's put a bit more resistance on. The setup position, this movement usually follows hugging a tree, I believe, on this classical one. I might be wrong, but I'm at the top of my head, I think it's hugging the tree, and he goes into the shave. Was it part of the rowing series? Either way. So you start off cross-legged. Have the hands in that position, thumbs touching, and the fingertips touching. From there, sitting as upright as you can, hands behind your head so the thumbs are just touching, and as you extend away, the hands just shave the head. The upper arm stays where it is. As you can see, I'm actually atrocious at this. My back and anatomy, my hips and legs, all in a completely wrong position. For that reason, I actually don't like this particular version with the legs crossed. Just can't do it to save my life. That's how much stretching or flexibility I do. I prefer a couple of different versions. If I could do that, that'd be an excellent one to do, but I can't. Work with what you've got. I've got no issues with my knees, provided I don't sit like this for about 4 hours, in which case my right knee plays up. That's the same movement. My back is more biomechanically advanced. And now I can work the long head of the tricep as I extend away. So what's happening here? Well, let's do a little bit of anatomy. Long head of the tricep, just below the electrolytic process, attaches to the ulna. Interesting, the long head, not the other tricep, comes all the way down. And the glenoid I forget what it's called now, infraglenoid spinous process. Anyway, the top of the shoulder blade. Basically from the outside edge, the upper outside edge of the shoulder blade. For that reason, for this muscle to work, you don't just work there, you work that one, yeah, but to really work the long head, the arms need to be up and in that position where the muscle, again, you're trying to get, with most muscles, as a general rule, a maximum range of motion. In this position here, you're getting a maximum range of motion. So, you just grab another one. It's in a nice good stretch now. You're putting it from a stretch, long position, to both a short position. There are other movements within Pilates that get it in a slightly different way, in which case where you're pulling down like that as well, you're getting the long head of the tricep. Different movements. Down stretch, the long stretch brings to mind. When you're pulling in like pullovers, you're also getting the long head of your tricep. This is just one way of exercising that part. You're still getting the other tricep muscles as well, but with the arms in this position, you're really emphasising the long head of the tricep. Now, within a class, as I mentioned, long head of the tricep, most people's eyes, usually the females, glaze over. They just seem to think, don't work triceps, don't big arms. As soon as you mention the bingo wings, which is what this one is, the long head of the tricep. They usually prick up, usually pay attention. But I don't give it for that reason. It's more from a functional point of view, from a postural point of view, because it attaches to that shoulder blade. Made stabilising the shoulder. And that's the movement I'm doing today. That's the shave, as it's called, to exercise the long head of the tricep. My name's Paul from Abbot Pilates Services. Well, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook, Abbot Pilates Teacher Training. Thank you.